Hajimamashite. Watashi wa Miko Fernandez desu, Laguna State Polytechnic University, no gakusei desu, dozo yoroshiku onegaishaimasu. Good day everyone. In this video, I will share my key learnings, insight, and personal growth from studying the Japanese language. One of the concepts that resonated with me the most was learning basic Japanese greetings such as Ohayo gozaimasu, Konnichiwa, and Arigato gozaimasu. At first, they seem like simple words, but I realized that greetings are very important in Japanese culture because they show politeness and respect. This taught me that communication is not only about is not only about speaking, also about showing consideration for others. Another important lesson was using uh, uh, the use of bowing like this. In Japanese culture, bowing is a sign of respect, gratitude, and humility. Learning about this practice changed my perspective because I understood that respect can be expressed not only through words but also through actions. It made me appreciate how different cultures have unique ways of showing kindness and courtesy. Lastly, I enjoy introducing myself in Japanese, uh, like uh, like earlier. I introduced myself and learning how to say my name, my age, my hometown, and my hobbies. Uh, help me gain confidence in speaking a foreign language. Although I made mistakes while practicing, I learned that making errors is a normal part of the learning process. This experience encouraged me to be more open to learning new language and culture. As a takeaways, as I move forward, I plan to apply what I learned by continuing the practice to practice basic Japanese expression and showing respect and politeness in my daily interaction. This lesson will also help me in my future career, especially when working with other people from different cultural backgrounds. Overall, studying the Japanese language has not only improved my communication skills but has also helped me to become more culturally aware and respectful. So everyone, this is it. Mina, arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you for listening.